Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Quincy, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Boston Whaler 1963 16 Sakonnet. Starting in the back here, it's powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury engine. Nice bench in the aft. You'll notice that nice beautiful blue interior to match that beautiful wood finish. Here you have your helm seat, rod holders, stainless steel, storage under the helm seat. Here at your helm you got your throttle, compass. Again, the wood is just beautiful on this boat. And up here at the bow you have your bimini top, stainless steel rails, some nice room for seating along with additional storage. Again, this is the Boston Whaler 1963 16-foot Sakonnet. For any additional information, any questions at all, please feel free to reach out at 508-367-8248. Thank you.